Okay, hello everyone. We were coming outside to take pictures and me and Ellie here, boom, car alarms go off. Happens again. The power's out and it's snowing and we kind of thought this would happen. It's like 19 degrees. So we're going inside. Did the power come back on?
Yeah.
Okay, so they got the power back on. Good thing about living in the city, they always turn the power back on.
Okay, anyway, let's finish taking pictures.
Let's finish taking pictures. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's actually going to be afternoon for you, so good afternoon. Something happened today. Guys, it snowed. Yes, I am excited because I love snow, and so does everyone else. We rarely ever get snow, and it actually snowed, and last time they said it was gonna snow, it didn't snow, so I was kind of like, it might snow, but it did. And look, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. Okay, so I didn't really get to record a lot today, but this was my outfit, just blue shirt, blue pants. We did a photo shoot today, so I will insert those photos probably later today. Okay, so I keep recording this, but you can't ever like see me in it. So I was trying to explain that we think our internet wasn't working today because we had the power went out today. So when the power went out, the internet stopped working and the internet never started working again, which like sucks. Because we were trying to live stream. We live stream, me, Natalie, and our mom. We live stream on Facebook singing.
Yeah.
And
plus, whenever, like, it never went up until now.
yeah, like our internet just came up now. It's like 10 o'clock. And you're like, are you serious? So, we're gonna go ahead and get ready for bed. So, are you ready to do that?
It's morning.
He thinks it's morning, but it's actually 10 o'clock at night.
No, it's morning.
Alright, we're gonna test the theory. If it's dark outside, then it's nighttime.
It's not even night.
And boom, look at that, it is nighttime.
No, it ain't.
See, it is completely dark.
Hey.
So we're gonna go ahead and get ready for bed, and I'm going to let you see that.
And plus, if you, sometimes I got, this blue shirt on. Whenever you
They
see me,
can't see it, you're too close.
whenever you see your shirt on me, that means I'm gonna play Jellic.
Yeah.
On my account, and it's the Mappin 2013 account. Clean my bed off. Look at it. You see like this stuff off.
So I just changed into my sleeping clothes, which is just this, and this is all dirty, so excuse that. But this is my sleeping clothes, and here is Matt's sleeping clothes.
Pokemon Spider-Man. Pokemon Spider-Man. Which one is the best Pokemon?
Okay, everyone, so after we change our clothes and we make our beds, we always try to end the night with a book. So tonight, we are going to be reading a story called Tell Me About Salvation. And usually we read about Paul every night, and we have a book about Paul.
That we left in the car.
And we left it in the car.
Unless it flew out.
No, well, hopefully not. But Matthew's getting sick of the book because we read it every night. It's not the same story, it's different stories, but it's about the same person. And we've read about almost
300, like 10 days of Paul.
No, we've did about over 100 days of Paul. So Matthew is a little something just fell off the wall. Can you show me what the picture was? Oh, did it break? Oh no! Okay, so we're gonna clean that up and then we are going to read our book. So after that, we just go to bed, and that's basically our night routine. Clean, make our beds, change our clothes, read, and sometimes we color if we have time. I will see you guys in my next video. Love God, love people. If you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Missing someone.